think of a single person being able to intelligently control a whole fleet of drones that reduces, uh, and using AI that reduces the cognitive workload for that operator, so many new things become possible. I think there's some really positive use cases to mention here that we're part of outside of defense, which is uh, wildfire and land management. So some of our big customers right now are the U.S. Forest Service and Cal Fire in California. Imagine having a fleet of drones flying over and covering very efficiently a large amount of land. And with AI and the high resolution multispectral sensors on board the aircraft, you can very quickly map out an existing wildfire or predict where a new one is going to start. Search and rescue, imagine having 20 drones flying up the side of a mountain and with those same technologies be able to very quickly find a missing person. You can quickly start to see where things are going and how crazy things are about to get.
I gotta make my cultural reference here. If you watch the movie Spider-Man Far From Home, and they're able to control that swarm of drones with those glasses, is that what we're talking about? Is that the holy grail we're trying to get towards?
It is, and that might be a good segue to quickly talk about where AI will live and what it will be used for. So in the context of defense, we talked about the kill chain, being able to understand what's going on, decide what to do about it, and then execute a certain task. Some of those fundamental things also transition over and apply to other use cases in the enterprise and in public safety worlds. And then the AI can live not only on the drone, but also in the human-machine interface and the controller that an operator uses to control the drone. So the AI on board the aircraft, that's primarily meant for navigation, intelligent navigation, for swarming, for detection, recognition, and targeting. And then you can think of AI on the ground station side being more dedicated around the human-machine interface, using maybe large language models to be able to talk to your drone and tell it what to do without having to manually use your joysticks to be able to do that. So I think AI with respect to drones and in the application of drones just has so much opportunity, and there's going to be so much value to be created here over the next decade. I think there's huge amounts of opportunity for a lot of folks.